Hey everyone, today I have another video with these fluorescent lamps and these things from here. Um, they are still hot from the last video, for it's the same time when I'm filming these things. So, as you can see, I wired this directly to the microwave transformer, and I want to see if this thing can be powered on by that transformer wired in this configuration. And as you can see, I'm not using the proper setup for this thing, so yeah, it's directly wired without any ballast coil or starter or something like this. And I will try to use my last fluorescent tubes in this configuration, so let's see what I'm getting. Okay, instantly powers on. Great. Okay, I'm not staying with this, for already my small transformers are heated up to bad, so if I'm staying with this light open too much, I risk to completely broke my small transformers, so I don't want that. I want just to see how this will work in this configuration, and after I will try to do this, I want to try to power all of my three fluorescent tubes at the same time with this microwave transformer. Now I will wire in series two of these medium size. I think they are medium, for I know one that is smaller and it's something like this. This one is a little bit bigger, but yeah, I'm not sure about these tubes. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, I wired them in series, kinda. And let's see. They work instantly. And I still like this cool form of white light. And if I will use them directly on my transformers without the microwave one, they will don't power on. So let's um, let's try with the bigger one. So here we go. Here I have this one, which is the bigger one, and let's see if it powers on like the smaller ones. No, it don't powers on instantly. Okay, this big one is interesting. For this one is also not powering on directly at 200 volts, and it seems to me like on my microwave transformer is the same result. And I don't want to power it directly from the socket, for I know the result. I want to see the results in this configuration with these small transformers, for it's kind of more fun for me. I'm not sure if it is connected properly in this point, so I will try to make a better connection here and here. Let's see now. Yeah, it works now. Oh, it was not proper connected, and you can see some flashing, but this is for, oh my gosh, it arched until it destroyed a little bit my connector. Yeah, now it shouldn't be arching. Yeah, it now works. Yeah, the main thing is my cable just here in this part don't make good contact, and stayed on the aluminum part probably, but like the other one, it start up instantly. And now I want to see if it works or even get a sign of life just with one cable connected in one part. Yeah, this is the same thing. So probably that one wasn't connected either, for I can clearly see something. I don't know if my camera can see that, but I can see some lights through this, for I have one wire connected to it. And now another experiment is what happens if I will try to do this with a smaller one. With this, what happens if I'm just connected it by one side, and let's see. It's the same thing. And ignore this sound, it's just my socket. You probably can see something. But now let's see what happens if I will put this cable on this aluminum thing, if I can, without disturbing the other part. I'm curious to see if this thing will light up. No, but it's kinda arching. So yeah, this don't work. But now I want to wire them all. So I will need some cables. Like these ones. So I'll be right back. Okay, they are kinda wired somehow, and I really hate these lamps and the wirings that I'm needed to do for them, for they are very sleek. But let's see if my micro transformer can power them all. So this is a no. Probably, yeah, one of them is not connected as I expect, and I hate when this happens. Let's see now. Oh, now it's disconnected from the middle. Great. I hate these lights. And still don't works. I'm curious why, but I can't really touch the wires directly with my hand. For this thing is very dangerous. For I'm using here some high voltage. Oh my god. My cable is not even attached to the cable from the transformer. Now let's see if the problem is from the other part or the part that I'm watching here. Okay, it works in this way, but if I'm attaching the wire to the big one, let's see if it still powers on, but I need to connect it here back. No, it don't want to power on. Probably the bigger one takes all the current, and this one, these two smallest one are not designed for this. And yeah, I'd like to stay a little bit more with them powered on, but my small transformers are already heated up to bed, I think, and this is not a good thing to do with some transformers. But let's see what happens if I will try to slowly disconnect them. Oh my gosh. Something happened here. And I don't like the smell. I will need to open the window now. But I saw something. Actually, I heard something. They are buzzing. And I don't know why. Actually, is there any chance that I blew up some filaments inside and they are buzzing? But I'm not sure which one is buzzing. That's the most interesting part of this thing. So I'm I will disconnect the big one and I will connect just this small one, and let's see now. Yeah, the small one is searching. But why? Let's unplug this one. Yeah, the one from the right is making this noise. Let's turn it backwards and let's see if the sound is more persistent, and if it is not present here, in this way I probably destroyed the lamp. It is still here. Let me close the window to get a better sound here, but I get some noise from my laptop, from the fan, and I can't really show you the actual sound. Yeah, I think I blew up the filament or something inside. For in this part is the sound. But this lamp tries to light up and I want to see something, but probably just from one part. Now it stopped. Now it stopped doing this weird noise. So basically I'll use this one from here and I want to see something. This thing is very stupid, but I want to see what happens if I will wire this lamp directly to ground. I hope I will not blow up anything in this house by doing this. For now I will send it to ground, I think, some high voltage. But the other thing is, if I will set this thing up and I will wire pine to ground, the other one will be lane and it will be a little bit dangerous for me. Actually not lane, live wire. For one of it will become ground and one of the other part will be live wire, so I don't want to stay on the same floor with the transformer. So I will try to do something about it when I will plug the transformer. Okay, now it's wired in this part to ground and this part to the transformer. And let me okay, now I'm staying on my chair, and I don't think it's the best idea, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, it lights up. Not too much, but it lights up. This is interesting. So this is how AC discharges in things. It's kinda interesting thing, but it's a basic thing. Now I want to see if I will connect this small one with the bigger one in series. What's happening? And I think I will do a longer video now with these experiments. For this is just my curiosity, and I want to actually show you things from these videos. So yeah, I hope you will like them. So let's see. Okay, they lights up. Okay, this is great, but I really appreciate how these things works. But the other thing I forgot to mention is that the bigger one, it's working at 200 volts, but if I'm trying to wire these things, this medium one in series and power them at 200 volts, they will don't work. So probably it's a design thing. why it don't work in the first place and my transformers are still hot. I hope you like this video, and yeah, see you next time, for I don't have any more ideas what to do on this channel. So if you have some ideas, please leave them in the comment section. Now I'm really running out of ideas.